Hey guys, Thomas Blakemore here, back again with another video, Teach, Travel, Triumph. Today's going to be another Teach video. Today what I wanted to do is to create a reading SATs paper advice video. The last video that I created for just general SATs tips got some really good feedback, so I'm hoping to create another video for that. Number one, read the text. Sounds really obvious, but reading the text and reading the whole text is very, very important. What I like to do is read the whole text and understand the text. When I've understood the text, then I find it easier to answer those questions. Put yourself inside whatever text it is that you're reading. If it's a non-fiction text about France, if it's a fiction text story, put yourself in the text so that you can understand what it is that you're talking about. That will really help you guys. Make sure that when you read the text, take note of all the little points that they might be putting in. So little captions down underneath the pictures, make sure that you pick up on any key dates they might have in any corners if it's a non-fiction text, because those can be little things that you get asked about within the test. Number two, read the questions carefully. I can't stress enough how important it is to read the questions carefully. And when you read the questions carefully, make sure you understand what it is that the questions are asking. Make sure you focus on the structure, make sure that you focus on the instructions that are being given. So if it says tick one box, tick one. If it says circle a keyword, circle it. But also with a reading paper, it will give you types of questions where it says, write a word that indicates this. Write a word that shows this. It might say write a phrase that shows something else. Now the difference between word and phrase, word, you just want that short word, and that phrase, group of words to indicate something. What I mean by that is that if it says to write a word, don't write paragraphs because you're wasting your own time. Take a step back and think, what is it that this question is asking? Because once you've done that, you guys are going to find it a lot easier to answer those questions. Number three, the marks. The marks will indicate how many marks you will get for each answer. So if it's a 1 mark question, you know that you're only going to need a short response, word, phrase, sentence to get that mark. Those higher mark questions are your 3 mark questions. So you know that you need to include a little bit more in those. Number 4, you need to P. No. P stands for point, evidence, explain. Give your point, give evidence, and then explain what that evidence and point is about. That will help you get those marks for those 3 mark questions, because if you focus on what that is and making sure that you answer those questions effectively, then you guys are going to do fantastic from that. So to summarize, make sure that you read the text and understand the text. Make sure that you read the questions carefully. Make sure that you understand the marks that you're about to be given for each question. And you need to P. So that summarizes my key tips really for the reading paper. Thank you very much guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe down in the corner, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Remember, you've got this. See you again guys. I'm out.